Hey guys, it's the only Yu-Gi-Oh player, and I'm here with the 2015 ban list, the list of ban cards. So basically, they finally came out with it, and so basically this is how it works. Okay, it shows over here cards that are forbidden cannot be used in your main deck, extra deck, or side deck. Here, if you can see over here, advanced format, it shows all forbidden. All these cards cannot be used in any game or rule official, and these are the traditional formats like limited. So yeah, you can only have one copy maximum of a limited card in your main deck, extra deck, or side deck. So if it says limited over here, you can only have one copy of it. And the final one, you can only have 2 copies maximum of a semi-limited card. So I'll show you what they are right here. Semi-limited, and this is just the no longer. And as you can see here, the Remax was limited, but now it's semi-limited. Was limited again. Was forbidden, but it's not forbidden. It's not shade. Was forbidden. And guys, if you want to find it, all you have to do is type in Yu-Gi-Oh ban card list 2015, and it's right over here. I already have it there, so you have to go here and you can check out this whole list of the new rules. So yeah, and this is just basically the Yu-Gi-Oh website, and I'll read out a few of the bummer ones. First is the limited. There is a really big bummer that I think everybody will hate. You can only have one soul charge. I know, disappointing, only one. Very disappointing. And here are some more that are very disappointing. Mind control, only one in your deck. Mind control and monster grade. I love these 2 spell cards, they're one of my favorite. Yeah, they're one of my favorite. And there's Raigeki, and then there's some other stuff. So basically there's some stuff that you guys like. Oh yeah, and this, yeah, anyways, I think it was limited before, but now you can only have one Dark Arm Dragon, one Debris Dragon, and actually one Black Luster Soldier, obviously. And then, so basically I'll tell you what these colors stands for. So basically the orange stands for monsters, the purple stands for the fusion materials, the white stands for synchros, and the black stands for Xyz monsters. The blue aqua one it's for spells, and the purple is for traps. So basically here, and the blue is for ritual. So basically all of that. So here are some cards that were on the list that were going to get like forbidden, semi-limited, or limited, but they removed it because they didn't think. See, you can even say here, over here on the side. And these are the Remax, I told you about them. So guys, that'll be it for the video. So okay, watch out it's going to be Christmas soon, so watch out. I'm going to be doing I think I'm going to be doing a Lord of Dragons, or whatever it's called, Dragons of Legend booster box opening, so stay tuned for that. See ya.